Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Tushar. I am always here to add a bit of laughter to your day. At the same time, I would like to honor your choice for having chosen this video, and by doing so, you have made your decision a great to pass your valuable time engaged in a worthy purpose. So I applaud you beyond measure. We all know it very well that now we are living in an age of globalization. Due to globalization, English has been more important for all of us as a language. But most of the learners, especially non-native learners, still think it to be like rocket science, which is out of this world, out of reach. So today I want to say that don't think like that. If you want to learn this language, I think today's video is just for you. And if you can follow this video till the end, I am sure it will help you a lot. If you want to be fluent in English, if you want to use this language like your native language, first of all, you have to learn the art of thinking in English. But it's not possible for anyone to learn overnight because it's a long process. It takes much time, much practice and proper approach. Because reading or writing is passive thing, but speaking is active. Fluent speaking is a thing which is totally organized by our subconscious mind. So, till it becomes the part of your subconscious mind, you will never be able to speak this language fluently. So, now I am going to mention some strategies that you can follow to expand or to level up your English. So I want to say that first of all, you have to immerse yourself consistently in English. To do this, surround yourself with the language that you are learning as much as you can. To do this, watch movies, watch TV shows, or you have to listen to the podcasts or listen to audiobooks, and also you have to watch YT channel. While you are doing any of this, you are learning words and useful grammatical structures in context. At the same time, it will help you understand how they are used in real life situations, and it makes it easier for you to recall them when you need to use them in your own thoughts or in your own conversations. To clear this idea, think about when you go to the gym and you work out. You feel good, right? But if you don't go again for a few days, it starts to go backwards. It's the same with your English learning. Now I am going to teach you a very simple but effective technique that if you do it every day, your English will surely improve a lot. It's really a very powerful technique. The technique is narrate your daily life in English. But if you think how to do that, it's very simple. While you are doing household chores or you are going outside for work, always try to describe everything you do or see in English. If you think how to do that, it's very simple. First, you ask yourself some questions like, what is going on there? What am I doing right now? What do I see around myself? And so on. And then try to answer them in your own mind. And then I want to say you another technique which will help you a lot. And the technique is always try to make conversations with others. It may be your friend or colleague or your neighbor who can speak this language fluently. It may be challenging at first, but you have to keep in mind that it's very useful for you as you want to train your mind to think in English. Also, it will help you to level up your confidence. And then I am going to teach you another technique which is called mirror technique. You may practice speaking English in front of a mirror. It sounds funny but effective. It helps you see your own expressions and slowly builds your confidence up as you see yourself improve. And also, don't never forget to record yourself while you are speaking and then listen to your own voice again and again. It will help you notice improvements and areas that need work. And also, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Always keep in mind that mistakes are the great opportunities for learning. They work like stepping stones towards success. Then you have to practice speaking on a regular basis. Don't try to skip even a single day, because you have to make it a habit, and this habit will help you to achieve speaking skill. So you have to practice speaking just like you brush your teeth in every morning. Then see the result after a few days. You will see that it has become your habit. All these methods can help you integrate English speaking into your daily life without feeling too much pressure. So keep it fun, keep it regular, and soon you will see the improvements. Now, before going to end, I'd like to say that don't forget to subscribe this channel and also to share this channel with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching this video.